If your truck cranks but doesn't start, you can try a few different things. One is to bleed the fuel line. You can do that through this valve here. You depress this, and when it cranks, it will spurt out fuel until the air is gone. If it still doesn't start, maybe it's because it's too much air in your fuel lines, and the pump is made to pump fuel, not air. You can take your air compressor, take some towels, put them in here with the air compressor nozzle, and then you force air into the line, which will then force the fuel up to the pump, and thus eliminating the problem with air in the fuel lines. You should have your key in ignition while doing this, so it helps to get the pump moving. Good luck!